Now we are going to make the big window. We need to cut the slab here. We will do that part later. I will create a rectangle and I will move it outside. What I am going to do here is I am going to create different panel shapes offset. I will just draw a line here so that I can divide this face separately, and here as well. Now we are going to select that face and move. Point in Z direction. Use different values, like I am using like 2 feet, 3 feet and 4 feet on a different scale, like irregular scale I am using this panel and in the shape. And in this direction also we need separate lines, so I will erase these small edges and I will select this face and I just do the same process. And I will erase the middle edges so that outside frame will be come out. So it's a long process, so I will just forward it a little. After cleaning the all edges, finally we got the internal face. I am just push pulling it. See, it's getting very easy, so that there is no error. Now I will use push pull command. Now I will use a rectangle to create a large glass. And I will make a group and move it to position. And adjust a little. I'm going to cut this slab. Draw a line here and push pull it inside. I will correct it later. Now I'm going to make this large window panels. It's like the same process what I have done the previous large window panel. and I'll make a copy, and I'll use a move tool to rotate it. If you grab the red pointer, then it will automatically tags the rotate tool. Now I will move it to position, move it inside a little. Move it inside a little. Now it's perfect looking. Now we are going to make a front parking door. That's like a same process to the others. Make the rectangle and copy it the outside. Simply only these three faces will be offsetting 3 inches, and I will erase in this one, so it will be like a frame. 3 inches would be fine. Again I will use a rectangle. Same process. Simple, select 3 spaces and use 10 inch offset. This one like a board. Again erase command and push pull it to 1 inch. Make a group, and again I will use a rectangle for the panels, and I will copy one line and up here and divided by 8 panels. And I will copy this line 1 inch and I use by 2, so that we will get this middle line. And I will select this middle line and I will just move it into green axis, so that it will create this nudge looking, and I will move it into half forward direction. So this is like a panel 1, and I will select these 2 faces, and I will copy this, select here, move and control, use this, and into 8. This one I needed, so select this and delete. Just delete the middle faces, so that it will look like a number of panels. See, looking good, right? And double click it and make a group, and just adjust inside, move it inside. It's like on the same face. Select all and make a group and move it to original position. Move it inside a little.